In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get your text looking clean and readable. Line spacing controls the vertical space between lines in a paragraph, and even small tweaks can make a big difference in how professional your design feels. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the exact design you want to edit. This works the same for a presentation, a social post, a flyer, any design that has text on the canvas. Make sure the design is fully loaded so you can see the top toolbar appear when you select elements. Next, click to select the text box you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around your text and the toolbar at the top becomes active. If your project has multiple text boxes, be deliberate and choose the one that needs spacing changes. This step ensures you're adjusting the right content and that any changes you make apply only where you intend. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar for the letter T, with a small arrow beneath it. That's the Text Options menu. Click it to open the expanded text controls. This is where Canva groups key formatting tools, so you don't have to hunt around the interface. Inside that menu, find the control labeled Line Spacing. It's a slider you can drag to change how tightly or loosely your lines sit together. Slide it to the left to reduce the space between lines for a compact, magazine-style look. Slide it to the right to open things up, which is great for readability and a more airy, modern feel. As you move the slider, watch your text update in real time on the canvas. Make small adjustments, pause, and check how your paragraphs flow. Aim for a balance. Enough breathing room that the text is easy to read, but not so much that related lines feel disconnected. If you don't see much change, double-check that the correct text box is still selected before trying again. Also, be careful not to confuse line spacing with letter spacing. Letter spacing affects the space between individual characters, while line spacing affects the space between lines. When the text looks right, you're done. Click away from the text to preview it in context with the rest of your design. Canva saves as you go, so your changes will be preserved automatically. That's all it takes to adjust line spacing in Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!